another video. Today is going to be a super fun one. We're going to show you how to do a DIY Christmas tree flocking. So we're going to basically frost our Christmas tree with fake snow, and we chose to use this spray, which I'll show you in a second. But before we get into the video, thank you guys for watching this video. Also, if you could subscribe, that would be amazing. And if you could like this video at the end, that would be even more amazing. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so the two supplies that you'll need for this DIY is the snow, the flocking spray, and a plastic drop cloth. I got this at Home Depot, it was like $2. And then this came in a pack of 2. I think each one was like $10, but it only came in a pack of 2, so I think it's about 20 bucks. But that's $22 compared to the extra like 150 that they add onto the Christmas tree price if you get it already pre-flocked. So our Christmas tree was about
9 feet.
No, the price.
The price was 150.
So it's 9 feet, and it was about 150. Yeah, like 149. Yeah, 150, and it's 9 feet tall. So for a pre-flocked 9 foot tall one, it would be.
It was $250.
It was like no.
Not even $300.
It was like $300 or $400. So $23 extra just to have the same thing that they're selling for $150 to $200 extra. So, all right, let's get into this DIY.
Oh snap! Does this bend a little bit?
Yeah.
Look at that. It looks real good. It doesn't even look fake. Even though it looks fake, it looks better than your other fake one. It looks better than the one at Times Square, I'll tell you that much.
Okay, so the first step is done, and that is putting up this plastic so that the spray doesn't get on any of our furniture or our floor. And along with putting this up, the craziest thing just happened. This little guy fell off of a stool and fell on the stool on his back. Are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, that was scary though.
That was so crazy. I wish and I don't wish that I recorded it, because the way that it happened was so nuts.
Right.
Okay, so we just put the plastic down, so that's step number 1. Step number 2 is to fluff up your tree. We're gonna put up our tree right now, and to fluff it up as much as possible for the full effect. So we're gonna fluff up our tree. Well, we're gonna build our tree right now, and then we're gonna fluff it out, separate all the branches that we can, make it look extra full before we start spraying. Okay, 2 hours later, and our tree is finally fluffed as much as we could. I don't know if I missed any spots, but
It looks so good.
it looks good from here. All right, so now we're gonna finally get to the flocking. Okay, so I just tested out the spray on the tree. All is good. I'm gonna start spraying the tree with this flocking spray. Okay, so we just finished through our first can. Now I understand why it was a 2-pack, because we just finished through the first can and our tree is lightly dusted. I don't know if you can see that. And I think we're gonna keep it lightly dusted because I still wanted, like, I was torn between the green and the completely flocked tree, like a completely white tree where it's like a little bit of green. And I think this is a happy medium between, it looks like there was a snowfall and green. So let me show you what it looks like. It's like a nice mixture between white and green, not completely frosted, flocked, but not completely green either.
How real does it look?
And it looks pretty real, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty good, I love it.
I love it.
I also love how there's some parts that have a little more white than others, like a little more flock. It just makes it look more real like that.
How do you think we do?
So I love it. I think we did a great job. Okay, so it is now the next day. We let our tree dry overnight. This is what it looks like. A super light flock. And I actually love how light it is. And then in some spots it's a little heavier. So something else to note, it dried up very well. So yesterday when you touched the stems and the leaves, it was still wet and it's kind of like creamy, like a frosting. And then today, once it's completely dry, it should just feel like a powder. So that's how you know it's all dried up and ready to go. The supplies you'll need are this snow flocking spray. This is the one that I used. I got it on Amazon. I got it for, I got a 2-pack on Amazon. It was about $20. And then you need a plastic drop cloth to just make sure that you're protecting your furniture. It is easy to clean. You can also get it off of windows if you by accidentally spray your windows. It's very cost effective, and you just gotta let it sit overnight to completely dry up, and it should dry up like a powdery consistency. It takes about 10 minutes to flock the tree. Ours is 9 feet tall and about 5 feet wide, so we let it dry overnight. But the overall process of flocking the tree took about 10 minutes after your tree is completely fluffed so that you don't miss any branches. And I just want to mention the steps one more time. So step number 1 is covering your space, your furniture, your floor, wherever you're going to spray your tree, covering your space to protect it. Step number 2 is to fluff out your tree as much as possible, and step number 3 is to flock your tree. You're going to spray it or sprinkle your flocking supplies. And step 4 is to let it dry. I think that's pretty much it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this. I hope this helps you in your future DIY flocking tree experiences. I hope this was helpful somewhat to someone out there. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.